Alright, so this is my project I've been working on today. And it is a gigantic slot car track. Now, I'm making this for the Science Center, so I had to make it a little bit different. Right now it's plugged into a power supply at 15 volts. And the power supply is then plugged into the track. The wiring down here is pretty cool, so I'm going to show you guys that. So it's actually wired into an infrared counter that plugs into a computer via USB. But also this track has power running individually to 4 different power stations up under here if we go along. And I'll be able to show you why that is in a second. Okay, so we have the slot car track uncovered now, and Marcella is going to demonstrate for us how this works. Right now I have the power plugged into the track, and Marcella, what you're going to be doing is you're going to hold this. This completes the circuit basically, so it's like closing the circuit wires. So when they're closed like this, it makes the electricity flow through that part of the track. You have a little red car. Here's the red car. You stick him on, and you'll notice that there's metal strips along the sides here. What those do is when that circuit's complete, it also completes the circuit through the car, so we run the electricity through the car, and it makes the motor go. Over here, the way I have this wired is this is how you plug in to having electricity run through this. I'm showing you this for a reason, because you're going to make your own electricity in a second. All right, so go ahead and make your car go. All right. Okay, so after some trying, Marcella has made it around the track. I'll clean it off. Now this time what we're going to be doing is I'm going to take away your ability to have power. So no more of that. What you're going to do is you're going to generate your own power. This is a hand crank generator. We'll take a quick look at the inside of the car too to see how this is working. The inside of the car, ironically, looks like the inside of your hand crank generator, so this is a good opportunity to see what that looks like. When we're looking at the inside of the car, I'm going to see if this will adjust for me. What we can see is it has a coil of copper wire in the middle, and there's 2 magnets on the outside. If I flip the car over, you'll see there's 2 metal strips. These metal strips, when they make contact, have the electricity flow up through the copper coil. The copper coil becomes magnetized and it pushes on the other 2 magnets and it makes it spin. Once it's spinning, it will make the wheels turn as well through this little gear. It's actually pretty simple. Same thing is in the hand crank generator. So there's a coil of copper wire and 2 magnets. When you're moving this, you're taking mechanical energy and you're turning it into electrical energy by having those magnets push on the copper coil. It's the reverse of what's in the motor right here. Start cranking for us. So just now Marcella has been creating her own electricity. So Marcella is nearly creating 12 volts of electricity right now to just go around. All right. Yay.